Happy One Take Wednesday. Look what Boo Boo found. I remember playing with those when I was little. Boom. Yay, good job. Yay. He's not carrying around the mascara tonight, only the Sharpie blue marker. That's probably a step up. What's that, Boo Boo? Let me, what you doing? Oh my goodness. Can you be there a while? Okay. So Peter's home and Lily and Chris are at church, and Peter will probably have leftover jambalaya, but I made some tuna pasta salad because I just used what I had in the house. I'm sure that's very exciting for all you viewers, and I don't really have much to say right now, but I saw this opportunity and thought it would make a cute One Take Wednesday, and I'm sure that Lily will be tickled when she comes home. Oh, Boo Boo. Look at, you can see how we, here, I know. I'll show you the hallway. It's nothing right now. It's just a dull, long hallway that leads to some of the bedrooms. Look at up there. That's actually like crud in the bottom of that light. Okay, so there's no wallpaper in here, which means that Lily and I technically could start to paint it. And this is where we have the dog food, that silver dish isn't usually there, and the dog food in there. So we could like maybe put some pictures of the pets up there, some fun ones, and just paint this fun. And then this leads into Will's room right there, where he'll be going to bed in about a half an hour. Here's Will's room. I think probably I've got this room before in shots, but all right. And back there. Okay, are you still at it? All right, listen. Say goodbye and happy One Take Wednesday. Peace out. Boo Boo. Excuse me, can you say goodbye? Okay, just go back to that. We'll do that for the next half an hour till bedtime. Okay, happy One Take Wednesday.